Hey there everyone. So today I wanted to hop on a video and talk about why we can fear our manifestations. This is a really interesting topic because the thing is right, we're all out there wanting to manifest the things that we want, right? And they may not be coming into our lives. And I just wanted to do a little video on explaining what is going on for you and why your manifestations may not be coming in. And because you see, when you're manifesting something, it requires you to have, a focus on that thing that you want to bring in and a belief that it's going to come in, okay? You're going to get what you want. But the thing is when we go between fear and wanting what we want, fear and wanting what we want, you know what I'm talking about. It's that part of us that's actually afraid of what we want. And why would it be afraid? Because it's that ego part of us. It's like an inner child part of us. And it's the part of us that likes everything to stay the same, right? Because it's like wants everything to be familiar and the same. And the unknown and, this fear of change becomes amplified as you start to make changes, okay? And so you will notice that you'll, be like, I want to make, say, for example, $10,000 a month, for example, and you're only making $2,000 a month, right? You'll be like, that's what I want. And then a part of you will come in and go, oh, no, like we can't do that. It's never going to happen for you. That's scary, right? And the thing is you want the $10,000 a month. But then there's a part of you that's afraid of it. And the only reason it's afraid is because it's afraid of change and it's afraid of the unfamiliar and the unknown, right? But there's a reason for that. It's to keep you safe and alive and in the familiar, because that part of you knows that we've been doing $2,000 a month every month and we've just survived. And then, going to the 10,000 a month, anything could happen. It's not familiar. You could lose it. You could not be able to maintain it. You could get tired. There's a whole lot of range of different things that your brain will come up with of why it's not good for you to have that $10,000 a month. Okay. And so it's your job to work with that part of you. It's your job to work with the part of you that gets afraid of change. Okay. And like I said, it's totally normal. Everybody has it, right? Because if it's not familiar to you, then it's a threat to your brain, okay? It sounds really, weird, but that's actually what's happening, and you probably will be resonating with this, right? So when you're manifesting, like I said, you need to work with that part of you, the fear of change, fear of the unknown, okay? And, I've got different ways that I do that. If you need help with that, feel free to reach out to me, because I do have some really amazing ways that can help for you to actually connect with that part and really sort of heal that part. And that part will come up in anything that you are trying to change in your life. Like, you could then want a relationship of your dreams, but then that part of you is like, no, stay safe, stay here, stay where you are, because you might be in a relationship you're not enjoying or whatever it is, right? But your brain will say, no, we're familiar here, we know what this is like, right? And that's just the way our brain works. And so in manifesting, I really like to look at the science of manifesting and the way the brain works, because when we learn that, we can really start to use our brain to help us manifest more when we know how it works. Alrighty? So let me know, does that resonate? That fear of change and the fear of the unknown, that's what you've got to work with to start to move forward into your desires if you're having trouble manifesting them. All right? Really nurturing that part. It's like an inner child saying, it's scary out there, don't go outside, and you've got to be like, well, it's okay, it's going to be okay. I know you're afraid of change. It's just that human part of you. So it's like you've got your soul part that wants to do all these amazing things And then you've got your human part that's all about survival, staying safe, staying alive. All right, you've got to work with those two parts in manifesting. Alrighty, I hope this video has been helpful. Let me know in the comments, and like I said, reach out if you feel like you need some help with it, and we can chat about how you can do that. And I hope you all have an amazing day. See ya.